Hi, am I recording? I don't know. I think I am. Hi, everybody. This is Lori Soley. I am going to give you a 5-minute demonstration on completing the DSKA and determining whether or not your course requires students to do DSKAs. You will want to please first and immediately log into Tavera. So I'm going to do that now. And if you're like me, sometimes it takes you more than once. User error, not Tavera error. And here I am. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you get into Tavera is you will want to go up here where it says Program Management or whatever is in this little area. You'll want to click on that and you will want to select Supervision. The supervision environment is the environment where you will find your classes each and every time. To find your classes, you go to Assignments. Select Assignments. Once that pops up, you're going to go to this box, which automatically populates with CMHC. You're going to click the drop-down menu, and you're going to find your class from amongst this list. Now, I have a lot of classes. You may have only one, or you may have several. Select your current class or the class that you're trying to do the DSKA in. I am doing it in DSKA Training. The screen will now populate with all of the students in your class and all of the assignments that need to be completed on or by the student in your class. On the screen you can see here, I only have one student in my class. If I had more, they would all show up along the top. Now, I can see here that this student has not started their DSKA, and they have one that they need to complete for this class. So, if you see an assignment that says DSKA Student Self-Assessment, you need to be certain that your students have completed it by the end of the term. If you're looking at this and it is the end of the term, please email all of your students and let them know they need to go into Tavera and complete this assignment now. You also will be able to access your DSKA assessment on the student right here. You do not need to wait for them to send it to you. You will go to each of the students. For me, it is this one. I will go to the little button here where you will see, I will scroll to the bottom where it is, you will see the start box, and I am now going to start the DSKA on my student. This is a lovely thing because you don't have to wait for them. You can go in. I will just go ahead and start this. I'll start it away. Solely, I am the course instructor because that is what you would be, or some of you would be university supervisors. It is fall 2, it is 2018 currently. It is the end of the term, and I am going to say that I am doing this for 5/14. Okay. So then you're just going to go down, you're going to fill out the DSKA. Let's say in the middle of the DSKA, oops, I have to do something else. That's okay, not to worry about it. You can just scroll down to the bottom like you saw me do. You can go finish later, and it will save what you've done so far. Now you'll notice here that now instead of a minus sign, you have an arrow sign. That arrow indicates it is in progress. So you will know for all of your students if you have completed it. This would also show up if a student starts to complete it but aren't done yet. Once you and they are done, you will get a checkbox in there indicating that it is done, and you can also see that down here. So if you hover over it, like it says not started, this one says in progress. So in a nutshell, that is how you find and complete the DSKAs. I hope that this was helpful and saves you lots and lots of time.